Students, you have an exciting capability that you can become a web developer. You can learn how to make beautiful, active web pages, to work with the web server, with the database server, with your own personal database, to make live not only web pages, but web applications. All of this you can do here in the lab without any communications or connection to the internet at all, because all of this is here on these machines. All is in your personal student area. Now, if you're a teacher, you can't use this directly. As a teacher, you'll have to become a student and have a student account to use it. When you want to start this, sign in with your name. Be sure you sign in with your name, because that's the only way that you will get to your own web pages, and that's the only way that you will ever be able to make any changes, to show your creations, to make your creations. So be sure that you sign in correctly. Guest will not work. Once you've signed in, open Firefox browser. Go down to the bottom, Student Web Development. Click that. We get a form that looks kind of like our other sign-in form. This one says Student Web Design Sign-In. Now we're actually signing in into our web development area. This is going to be where we're working from, talking directly with the web server. We need to make sure that we are registered as exactly the same name. Now, if you do not see your name here, talk to your teacher or system administrator. They need to set up each student, especially as a web developer, so all the other pieces for web developer students are created. You have your name here, click Sign In. It opens a page that looks like a file browser, but it's not really, because now you're connected to the web server and you're working directly with it. We'll go to Documents and My Web. Here we have several files that are already prepared as examples. You can use these to learn how some web pages work and some exciting features with them. You can edit them to make them as you wish. And you can add as many pages as you wish in this area, because it is your own regular personal student area. Start off with Welcome. Interesting page with a couple of different kind of background pieces, one on top of the other. Links to critical areas or useful areas for you to learn much more. These are here on our server. You don't need any connection to the internet. But there's your name. How did that get there? Well, you have your personal database, and that information is already in the database. Your name's in there. So this page knows how to read that database and welcome you directly. Now, the next example we will look at is one called Image Demo. It's one I think you will find exciting and perhaps be editing quickly. Here, it is a page that shows pictures, photos. It's not just a dead page, it's live. You move over a photo, it pops up, it tells you what it is, you click on it, It shows another big photo. So it's a very lively, active, modern page. Also, if you change the size, it arranges everything to fit on the screen. So if you were looking on a phone, you could see it. You could see it well. These are things that you can learn with this. These are things that you can use to make web pages that look like they've been made now, not in the year 1997. The last thing that I will show now is, in fact, a full application that's built with just 3 files here, connecting to your database and these links. It's a contact book, much like you would have on your cell phone. You can edit, you can create contacts, and then when you have them there, you can see them, read them, edit a contact that you have to put in more information and save it, or you can make new contacts, fill in the information, and save it. All of this goes into your personal database, so the next time you sign in with your name as any student, it'll be there. That's it for this first video. There will be one other video that will tell you more about the way that you can use the examples and about the resources here on the server that can help you learn.